How's it going, my friends? Back with another video today. Just wanted to talk about something really quick that Sarah and I have been kind of discovering during this wedding season with the Z6. Now, before I start that off though, I just want to let you know that finally, thank God, the 85 1.8 S lens has finally shipped. Mine's been on back order. I got like the shittiest luck. Mine's been on back order for like, I don't even know, like 3 months. I ordered it right when it came out and it kept getting pushed back. I originally ordered it off Amazon. It kept getting pushed back, and then I checked B&H. I saw that it was in stock, so I just canceled my Amazon order from B&H, and it's going to be here tomorrow. So we have 3 weddings this weekend. We have one on Friday, one on Saturday, and one on Sunday. So I'm going to shoot all 3 of those weddings with the 35 and the 85, and then I'm going to do an in-depth review of like how it compares to the 85 1.4G, and you know, basically my experience with it, just to let you guys know after like some real shooting. I mean, after 3 weddings back to back, I'll definitely be able to tell you exactly what I think, and like I'll show you some sample images and all that. But I just want to show you something real quick having to do with the Z6, and something that is really super important when you guys are cleaning your gear. Okay, so first off, we always clean our gear after every job. I'm constantly wiping this thing down, cleaning the sensor. I just really pretty much use air on the sensor, but I do actually go in and do a sensor cleaning myself. Probably once. I've done it once, so I've had the cameras for about a year now, right since they came out, and I've only had to do it in 6 months one time. But we don't switch lenses a lot, like I said. I mean, you guys know that we just use the 2 prime combo, so I'm not constantly switching lenses at a wedding, and I don't like that there is no cover, like you just take this off and the sensor's right there, so I'm really careful with it. But I always, after I get back from a job, I'm always wiping everything down, completely dusting everything off, dusting the sensor off, and just wiping everything down and making sure it's clean. Yesterday we had an engagement shoot in the rain. It was absolutely pouring out, and we had our Z6s. I was shooting with the 50 and Sarah was shooting with the 35, and we brought it out in the rain and got rained on, and everything was completely fine, held up perfectly. So these things are definitely waterproof, or you know, hardcore rain proof, and the S lenses definitely you can take them out the rain. We were getting poured on yesterday, and we shot with them all day, and they were completely flawless. So, but back to the thing that I want to talk about. So this eyepiece here, okay, we were having issues with this. So it was mainly Sarah's camera. It was switching from the EVF to the back screen. There's a little button on the side right here, and you can toggle between the EVF and the back screen, and to have it show both. So it's a little, I think it's a proximity switch here. As your eye gets closer to the EVF, it'll kick on the EVF, and then when you take it off, the back screen will come up. So we were having issues where it would just either switch to the back screen or it would switch just to the EVF, and then we'd have to keep pressing this button to cycle through it, but it wouldn't stay on the setting. The issue was that if you pop this off, this little eyepiece cover, it slides right off. It gets dirty right up here on this proximity sensor. I think this is a proximity sensor or switch or whatever. You know, you can, I'm sure if I'm wrong, I'm sure there's going to be people that are going to correct me. But it's a little sensor right here. So I didn't know this slides off. I just messed with it, and I got it up, and there was a bunch of dust and dirt around there. So you guys, make sure that you're popping this thing off and you're actually cleaning on that sensor right there, because it will give you issues if something gets in there and kind of covers it. It's just a quick tip, guys. It's nothing major, but it's something that I've learned while I'm shooting. You know, it's the first time I've ever used an EVF for an extended period of time, so it's definitely something you're going to want to make sure you do. Clean your gear and take this little piece off and clear that too, or clean that too. So we're gearing up for a crazy weekend. Unfortunately, Sarah's sick right now, and you know, hopefully that she's gonna be fine by this weekend, because like I said, we got 3 weddings. So, but I'm excited because I'll be able to do a comprehensive in-depth review after of the 85 1.8S, and I want to compare it to the G 1.4 lens, because obviously we're talking a big difference in price here, and you know, hey, if you can save money, I think it's a good idea too. So hopefully this helps, guys. Until the next video.